Hi friends, I'm Flek. You're watching Tech Might Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to enable the automatic turn off your hotspot. So if no device has been connected to your hotspot will be automatically turned off using this method and this option. So this is so useful for having the hotspot will have more battery consumption. So if no device has connected to your hotspot, automatically it will turn off, so your battery will be saved. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to enable the turn off hotspot automatically? So first of all, long swipe here, just click on the setting option, and here you just can search as hotspot on the top search. You just click on this network and internet, and here you will see a hotspot taking, or you just can just scroll down a long press on the hotspot, directly go inside the hotspot setting, click on the Wi-Fi hotspot option. Now you just need to have this option called turn off the hotspot automatically. So when no device have connected to your mobile, so it will be turn off automatically. If you disable it, so your mobile hotspot will be turned on. If no one used, it will not change, it will be turned on. But this option will allows your hotspot to turn off when no device has been connected. So if you're mistakenly not disconnecting your hotspot when another person has been disconnected, so this will make that work perfectly, so which will save your battery life or battery charge. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.